Good morning, everyone. My name is Giancarlo Pinigan, and I am the leader of this group, which is the Group 2. And our topic for today is the theorems on rectangle. Theorems on rectangle. Properties of a rectangle. A rectangle has four sides, four vertices, and four angles. So, it has four sides, the segment AB or side AB, segment BC, and segment DC, and segment AD. So it has four sides and four vertices and four angles. So angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. Opposite sides are parallel. So segment AB is parallel to segment DC and segment AD is parallel to segment BC. Opposite sides are congruent. So what the measure of AD is the measure of BC. Since the opposite sides are congruent, that means they have to be equal. They have to be congruent. So they have to be the same measure. Adjacent sides are perpendicular. So adjacent sides are perpendicular. So this. So how to know that they are perpendicular? Well, it forms a right angle. This right angle. Well, a right angle measures 90 degrees. Theorems on rectangle. Theorem 1. If a parallelogram has a right angle, then it has four right angles, and the parallelogram is a rectangle. So, if a parallelogram, kung nasa right angle, napo daw siya four right angles. Ang kanang parallelogram kay rectangle. Theorem 2. The diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. So, diagonal AC and diagonal DB is congruent. This or this. So, kung unsay measure sa AC, mao ang measure sa DB. Please remember that theorem 2. The diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. Example 1. Find the length using rectangle ABCD. Given AC is equal to 2x plus 31 and BD is equal to 3 multiplied to the quantity of 4x minus 3. So first of all, mag-draw tag diagram nga nag-show sa find the line using rectangle ABCD. Mag-draw sa tag ABCD nga rectangle. For example, not for example. Kani jud. Kani siya. Dayon, given 2x plus 31 and BD is equal to 3 multiplied by the quantity of 4x minus 3. So based on the AC, that means diagonal dahil. So AC and BD, diagonal sila. So dapat sila congruent. So that means, based on the theorem 2, the diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. So that means diagonal AC and diagonal DB or DP are congruent dapat. So like this, AC is equal to line AC is equal to line BD. So yes. So let's substitute. So ang AC na to kay 2x plus 31. And then equals 3 multiplied to the quantity of 4x minus 3. So, first of all, parenthesis una. So, kanita mag-una, dirita mag-una. So, 3 times 4x, that is equal to 12x. Dayon, 3 times negative 3 is equal to negative 9. So, nanin siya. So, let's bring down this one given. 2x plus 31. So, i-transpose nato ni si 12x diri. Dayon, ay diri siya. Pero dayon i-transpose pa diri nato si 31. So, both man sila positive, then mahimo silang negative. So, 2x minus 12x is equal to negative 9 minus 31. Yes, inana. So, 2x minus 12x is equal to negative 10x is equal to Negative 9 minus 31, that is negative 40. So, divide both sides by negative 10, then x is equal to negative 10 divided by 4, no, negative 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. So, Rx is equal to 4. Now, let's check. So, AC is equal to 2x plus 31. So, let's substitute. 2 times 4 plus 31, then 8 plus 31, that is equal to 39. So, dapat, since based on the theorem 2, the diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. So, that means dapat congruent sila. So, sa BD, dapat 39 po si BD. So, let's try. 3 multiplied with 4x minus 3. Then, let's substitute. 3, 4, then 4 pod, negative 3, then 3 multiplied with quantity of 16 minus 3 will ang naman sa PIMDAS, una gid ang parenthesis. So, unahon na to ang parenthesis. So, that means 3 is equal to 16 minus 13 is equal to 13. So, that means 3 times 13. So, it is 3 times 13 ay 39. So, pareha sila. Oh my God. Pareha gid sila. So, that means the theorem 2 is correct. Charot. Kani kay correct. So, find the length using rectangle. So, the length of AC and BD is 39. If ABCD is a rectangle with BC is equal to 4x minus 30 and AD is equal to x, find x. So, sa properties of the rectangle, the opposite sides are congruent. So, that means, parehas sa itong example 1, side AD is congruent or equal to side BC. So, let's substitute. So, ang atong BC kay 4x. So, atong x kay ay AD kay atong kay x ra. So, x is equal to 4x minus 30. Dayon, i-transpose ni siya dito so ko ba? Okay, transpose na doon siya din dayon, may mo siyang negative 4x plus x is equal to negative 30 and negative 3x is equal to negative 30. Divide both sides by negative 3. So, you'll get x is equal to negative, plus 10. Positive 10. So, your x is 10. But remember, there are many ways to kill the chicken. So, dalag dilin ani mong pag-solution basta kay sakto imong answer. Okay na na. So, atong AD kay yan na rin ako. X. Ngayon, substitute. So, AD is equal to 10. Atong AD kay 10. So, dapat magpareha pa tayo sa BC. So, atong BC for x minus 30. So, atong BC 4x minus 30. Then, substitute 4 times 10, 30. So, kabala naman sa answer kay 4 times 10, 40, minus 30, 10. O, di ba? 10. So, pareha sila. Ano yun siya? 4 times 10 is equal to 40. Minus 30, 10. So, this is congruent siya. So, the properties of the rectangle, okay. One. Opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. So, yes.